Is your PC running slow, freezing, or running out of storage space? Well, don't worry. Today, we're reviewing EaseUS CleanGenius, a powerful PC cleaner and optimizer that helps you remove junk files, boost performance, and free up space in just a few clicks. Let's get to it. EaseUS CleanGenius is a lightweight yet powerful PC optimization tool that helps users clean junk files, boost speed, and manage storage efficiently. It includes a junk file cleaner to remove unnecessary files, a startup optimizer to speed up boot times, a registry cleaner to fix system errors, a disk space manager to track large files, and more. Unlike some PC cleaners, CleanGenius combines multiple optimization features in one software, making it a great choice for beginners. Let's go take a look into how to clean and optimize your PC using EaseUS CleanGenius. Firstly, go grab the installer download and install EaseUS CleanGenius. As always, we'll have a download link in the video description for you. Next, let's open the software and click Scan to find junk files and system clutter. You'll see a breakdown of temporary junk files, system cache, and unnecessary data taking up space. Click Clean Now and let EaseUS CleanGenius remove those junk files and optimize your PC automatically. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of EaseUS CleanGenius. Pros: user-friendly and easy to use. Deep cleaning features and startup optimization. Available for Windows and Mac devices. Cons: sometimes gets flagged by your antivirus software. However, it is safe to use. The scans aren't as in-depth as some of the other PC cleaner options. If you want a simple yet effective PC cleaning tool, then EaseUS CleanGenius is another great choice. It's fast, reliable, and removes junk files efficiently. Be sure to grab it for free from the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit that like button and subscribe for more PC optimization tips. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.